Good afternoon, children. Today we start our new work from our new drawing book, that is a Arctic Crafty Squash Color Shower. You have to take this book. With this book, you have to take your plain drawing book. Okay. Then take out one tracing sheet, pencil, eraser, and a sketch pen. You have to take all these things and open new page, draw a border, and keep ready for today's work. See, children, this is your drawing book. First, you should write down today's date here. After writing date, you have to write down the topic here, design. Okay, children. Then, in your drawing book, in your drawing textbook, you have to open page number 40. See, children, this is page number 40. Here, what they given? They given one design, and you have to see in this, you can see the geometrical shapes and you can see too many designs, too many shapes, everything you can see. Okay, now here they given only half of the work in a dark and remaining half they given in a dot work. Okay, but we are not doing any coloring in this page. We have to do this one on the tracing paper first. Then we are doing this one in our plain drawing book. First you have to take a like this tracing sheet. Then you have to keep this one on this like this neatly. Okay, keep it neatly. Then start to trace full drawing on the tracing paper. Okay, children, you have to trace full drawing. This half also you have to trace and this half also you have to trace. Full you have to trace. Okay. Once you trace, how you have to use that one I will show now. Okay, children. First, now you can start to trace the design on the tracing paper. Then, see, children, here already I traced the drawing on the tracing paper. Now what I will do, this is the upper portion, whatever the pencil lines will be there, no, that one. Now what you have to do, you have to turn this one like this and you have to keep neatly on the plain drawing book like this. Okay, hold it properly. Then start to do the drawing on this. Whatever the pencil line you did now, on that you have to draw once again with the help of the pencil. That time you will get a light print on the plain drawing book. Like this, you should start to trace this one. First, where you have to trace, you have to keep tracing sheet on the drawing book and you have to copy the drawing from your drawing book. Then you have to turn that one and keep on your plain drawing book. Then start to trace on this like this. Okay, children, trace like this first. Next step I will tell you next. Once you complete the tracing, what you have to do, you have to take out like this. Then you will get the print here like this, children. Now what you have to do, you have to take a black color sketch pen. After taking that, what you have to do, you have to take a black color sketch pen. Then you have to keep the drawing in front of you. You have to keep your drawing in front of you like this. Then see that one. According to that, you have to start to trace once again. Sitting, children, this is your light pencil line. Now you have to do with the black outline. Now that one you have to do. Okay. Now I will start to do. Just you have to observe. According to that you have to do, children. From the down you have to start to trace, children, because once if you keep your hand on the pencil line, it will be merged with the some lines. Then you won't get the drawing properly. So you have to start from down and complete it neatly. Children, after tracing this one with a black color sketch pen, now your work will looks like this. Okay, children. After this, what you have to do, you have to take a eraser and rub once whatever the pencil lines will be there, no, it should go. Okay. Then now we have to start to do the color with the color sketch pen. Here we are showing the light tone and dark tone both. Just you have to observe that only one leaf and one part I will show, but you have to do that one in both the side, and wherever the same designs will be there, no, that designs also you have to complete with the same color. Okay, children. See, children, here the 4 leaves is there, no, that one I am doing with the light green and the dark green. Half of the leaf I will do with the light green, dark green, remaining half we should do with the light green. Okay, children, like this you should do. Okay, all the 4. Again here it should come a dark, and here down it should come a light. Okay, like that you have to do. Then once again you should come to here. Here also you can see some leaves. Here also what you have to do, you have to do half leaf with the dark and half leaf with the light. How? Like this here. Same thing you should follow for both the side. Children, like this you should do. Then after that you should take yellow color, do color for the middle part of the flowers. Wherever you will get like this, no, that one you have to do with the yellow, and this one also you have to do with the yellow. This type of flower, the middle part you have to do yellow color. Okay, then you have to take a purple and a pink color. Okay, pink, half of the petal you have to do with the pink. Then remaining half of the petal you have to do with the purple. Okay, children, you should do like this. Okay, wherever you will get like this flower, here 1, 2, 3 flowers will be there. The same thing you have to do that one with the purple and a pink color. Next, after that you have to take a red and orange color. You should take a red and orange color, and this middle flower will be there, no, that one we are doing with the red and orange. The center part I am doing with the orange. Then the next petal I am doing with the red. See the way of coloring, children. Okay, after that red over, what you have to do, this down, half of the petal you should do like this with the orange color. Remaining half you should do with the red. Okay, after once you finish that, here also you should do red, this one. This upper part also you should do with the red. Don't leave white patches. Do it neatly. Then this middle part you should do with the orange. Okay, children. Next. After that, now what we should do? We should move to the next one. Next one we are doing with the light blue and the dark blue. Okay, this part we will move. Here what you will do? You have to do the middle. Whatever the middle flower petal will be there now, that one you have to do with the dark blue. Outer layer of the flower you should do with the light blue. Children, this part you should do with the dark green. Next we will move to this. That one you have to do with the light blue and the dark blue. This part you should do with the dark blue, children. And the flower petal part you have to do with the light blue. You have to observe the coloring work and the same designs you have to do with the same color. Where it will be, you have to see that one and you have to complete it properly, children. Okay. Next, we'll move to the, we take a purple and a pink color. This one with the purple. This one with the pink. The last, what you have to do, you have to take a yellow color sketch pen, and this flower you should do full with yellow. Now the last part, only this one I left here. Here what you have to do, you have to do the orange outside and the red color for the circle. This circle you have to do with the red. Okay, children, you have to observe full drawing. Wherever the whatever color I given, you have to see that the same color you have to do for both the side. And wherever the leaf will be there, no, that leaf you have to do one with the light green and one with the dark green. Either here I given half of the leaf with the light green and half of the leaf with the dark green. Like that only you have to cover full leaf. And the flower, what are the color you have to give, that one also I given. Okay, children, you have to do it like this. Okay, at the last your work will looks very nice. Okay, children. And one more thing, while doing the work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and clarify your doubt, children. Okay, you have must and should you have to use the tracing sheet and a sketch pen and a pencil. rub the pencil lines, then only you have to start to do the coloring work. Okay children, thank you.